in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your Facebook account. Very easy, very simple. Let's launch the Facebook app first. First thing I want you to do, guys, I want you to hit the lower right corner on your profile picture. Then I want you to go ahead and click on the upper right where is the gear icon. Now, very important, I want you to hit the Meta Account Center. This is the recent updated version from Meta. Next step will be essentially to click on Account Settings. Please click on Personal Details. Now the next option will be to click on Account Ownership and Control. This is where the magic happens. This is where you click and you choose between the activation or deletion of your account. Very important, guys, if you really want to delete your account, you want to make sure that you download and request your data from Meta. Because after you delete your account, all the information will be wiped out. So this is what you want to do prior, in advance, you actually click delete your account. Next option, of course, will be deactivation, which means that your information will be saved up and your account will not be visible until your account is deactivated. Even your followers won't be able to see your content. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.